Recently, we had the opportunity to return to the historic 1912 Hoover House in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. It's believed there was a horrific attack in the basement, which once housed a speakeasy bar of sorts. Many visitors to the house have reported being touched inappropriately, seeing shadow figures, and hearing disembodied voices. It's well after midnight as we begin our investigation, and the rest of the house is asleep on the 3rd floor. Hello, I'm Debbie.
I'm Carly.
And I'm Dick.
We just like to talk to anybody that's here. Do we have anybody from the Hoover family? Feeling vibrations. Is it safe for us to go into the basement? Do you ever go into the basement?
Is there anybody here that wants to communicate with us? So can you give us a sign?
What was that?
It sounded like it was
Yeah. What was that?
It sounded like it was
Yeah. What was that?
It sounded like it was
Yeah.
Was that you? Can you make that noise again?
Well, we're going to go into the next bedroom, but please feel free to join us if you want to. What is this room called?
Keystone.
Keystone, I'd say.
Keystones. There's a nice rocking chair in here. Have a seat with us and feel free to rock. I want to rock. Maybe before their time. We have a lot of devices set up. They're not going to hurt you. If you want to just come up to them, they'll make a noise to let us know that you're here. You know, if these devices aren't, if you don't like them, there's also the doorbell right outside the entryway. If you ring that to let us know that you're here.
We could ring it too, see if that triggers something.
Yeah. Can we go ring it real quick?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll ring it, and then I will let you guys ring it.
Could you ring that back for us?
Can you ring that for us, please? Thank you. Are we bothering you?
Oh, should we just try down in the basement? It seems so quiet.
Yeah, it's always so quiet up here.
Probably everybody, it's like, especially if it's residual, maybe because it's like they'd be asleep now. But the basement, because it was a bar.
Yeah, or everyone's at the bar right now.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna switch my camera off while we walk down.
Same. anybody?
What was that?
Could you do that again? Hello, I'm Debbie.
I'm Carly.
I'm Bill.
We're just here to chit chat. We don't mean any harm or disrespect.
What was it that beeped?
I don't know. So we try to listen to your voices, but it's quite noisy down here with fans and AC. So we might not hear you. So we have other devices with us that you can communicate. You can talk through the phone in Charlotte's hand, or you can light up any of our special toys and devices that we have around the basement. Fluxed green. Thank you. That means you're standing very close to me.
I'm with my parents.
Are we talking to Elenore? Is that you, Elenore? That device that you lit up, I don't know if you could see that it turned to green. Or the other side will turn to red if you stand to the other side of it. So we could use that for yes and no answers. We could use the green for yes and the red for no. Do you think you could try the other side? See if you can light it up. Wrong area.
Which area would you like us to be in? You can light up stuff to lead us that way, the same as you did with the little triangle over here.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
We just want to communicate.
Could you set up any other devices for us, just to let us know you're here?
I'm taking my time.
Don't take too long because Charlotte's very tired.
Yeah, I was.
She doesn't do late nights, so. Who's the grumpy old man who likes to throw things? It was me moving the table. Could somebody come and sit in this rocking chair next to me and show me that you can rock the chair?
I heard something back here.
You did?
heard something back here.
You did?
I heard something back here.
You did? What, a voice or movement?
Just a movement. Could have just been settling.
Is anybody here with me? If you could let me know you're here by using any of my devices. I know that you've already used the little triangle toy down here on the floor. Could you talk to me through this device in my hand? Tripwire. Thank you. And put this down over here. That's a bathroom. Somebody's using a bathroom upstairs. Tripwire. Tripwire. See if you can find any of my other devices. Tripwire. Tripwire wasn't going off at all while Charlotte and Bill were down here. They just went back upstairs to the second floor to bed. Down here on my own. Who's here with me? Who's the shadow man? Could I get another drink? Whiskey on the rocks, please. See if that makes any difference. What's my name? Do you know my name? Astrid, are you here? I'm going to grab the music box. I'm going to put it somewhere else, okay? That's me grabbing the music box.
That's me turning. This is a nightgown. I'm not trying too much for EVP session because the AC and the boiler and different things keep making noise. That's why I'm in the echo box. Caitlin. So what's your name? Let's go over here. We can go over here. I'm probably going to set the music box off. I know when Bill came over here earlier, he said he felt uneasy back here. It's quite dark back here. Can't really see. Let me show you how dark it is by switching my night vision off. Alright, that's what it's like down here in the basement where I am. That's what I see, unless I'm looking in the little LED screen. That's all I can see right now. It's very dark down here. There we go. Hoover family, do you come down here? Elizabeth? Elizabeth? Is there an Elizabeth? Are you all walking out the door, leaving the bar because it's time to close? No time for one last drink? You hiding? Did I hear hiding? Astrid? So the spirits that are in the basement, do you stay in the basement all the time? Yeah, just to get out? Do you want me to leave? Vibrations. If you want me to leave, you have to give me a big sign to let a piece of equipment go off right now. Something you've not done. One of the noisy ones. Oh. What was that? Flux. Is that you saying you want me to leave? I'm going to come and sit over here. Okay, you've set that piece of equipment off already tonight. So can you try something you haven't? Like the music box or the round device in the next room? Or if you would like me to stay and not leave, set the red side of that device off. Because I know you did set the red side off earlier. Are you trapped in that one area? Are you too scared to come out? If you really want me to leave, go find that round device in the next room. Our light died. Pretty sure, yeah. Our light died. Could you set that side off green again if you want me to leave? Try that again, one more time. You do it really quickly after I ask you, so I know that that's a response. I think I just said don't shout from the echo box. I'm gonna have to switch my light on and go give it a little light, because without the night vision light, the IR light, it's a bit too dark for the camera to pick things up. So we'll switch to colour. We'll switch the night vision off. I'll switch it down. Whoa. That made me jump. I don't know what that was. Could you give me your name? Could you tell me the year? What year is it for you? I'm going to switch the echo box off. I'm going to switch this off now. Thank you so much for talking to me, okay? So this house was built for Ira and Ella Hoover in 1912. Ira had a heart attack, coronary thrombosis, I believe, up in the bedroom. And I believe his daughter also had the same thing happen to her in the same bedroom several years later in 1954, and she passed away. I believe that's what happened. I don't know where Mrs. Hoover passed away. Don't know if she passed in the house. But the house has been a restaurant as well, and a nursing home. And there's been several people passed away when it was a hospice nursing home. I might go around and take some photos. We're going to come in here. We're going to take a picture out. Or maybe we'll take one of these tables, these chairs down and do a session in here. nighttime without some movement. Was that you? Ooh, sharp pain in my right side. Ooh. I don't know if that's me or you. Is somebody hurting me? Because I would like that to stop, please. Thank you. So why are you here? Do you just stay in the basement? What was that? Hello? Was that you? Could you do that again? Oh, tripwire just went off. I don't know if I caught that. Oh, no, over that way this time. Did you do it again? I definitely heard them. Could you tell me what year it is for you? For me, it is 2024. Can you see me? Do you see me? Do you see me?
Archangel.
Michael? Archangel Michael? I just bought some candles and a Archangel Michael little statue at the Gettysburg Bash from my friend Luna and Chuck, my friends Luna and Chuck. But they're in the car. But the candles are blessed and they have charm in with them and some crystals. I recently called in Archangel Michael and other angels and my guardians to help us with a residential case.
My death was brutal.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. Very sorry. Are you Laura? Scratching my leg. I feel like I've been bitten by insects. I am very tired, but I almost feel like if I leave, I'll miss something. I don't want to leave. I don't know what it is about basements, but I just like basements so much. I want to go to bed, but I want to stay. And I have the perfect song to play for you that I'm going to play. I'm going to give you a chance to say one more word out of this device before I go find another song. Okay? And I have the perfect song to play for you that I'm going to play. I'm going to give you a chance to say one more word out of this device before I go find another song. Okay? And I have the perfect song to play for you that I'm going to play. I'm going to give you a chance to say one more word out of this device before I go find another song. Okay? Is that now the perfect song? Vibrations. Very strong right now. I was wondering what it's like there and for you in the afterlife. Let's switch the spirit talker back on. How is it in the afterlife? My mum has passed away, but before, she always told me that she could talk to spirits. And for a while I thought she was a little bit crazy, and when I was young, it's me moving.
I like music.
Good. Me too. Did you enjoy the music I played for you? Let me know if you would like some more. I'm willing to play more for you. Set one of my devices off if you'd like more music. Okay? And I will do that for you. Very happy to do that.
We hear you.
Okay. Do you see me though? I'd really like to know if you can see me. That's a big question for me, is can you see me? Quick session. Oops. 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 Hello? Clock is ticking. Is there anybody here that would like to talk? Some beautiful portraits on the walls in this house. Do we have any of the Hoover family here? Do we have any of the nursing home patients? Looks red. Hello. Hello. I don't know if you can tell what that lit up red. The other side of that will light up green. We could use that for yes and no. Could you try light the other side up, see if you can light the green side?
for me? Oh, we're back to the red. Could you try the other side? All you have to do is just walk around the other side. I'm so sorry I haven't introduced myself on this floor. My name is Debbie. I don't mean any harm or disrespect. I'd like to talk to anybody that's here. Is the Hoover family here? Are you a nursing home patient? Looks right again. Are you just passing through? Do you think you could try the green side for me? Could you try the other side, the green side? You're just standing there hanging out watching. Who is it that helps with the table tipping? Okay. I think I might move into the next room just for a little bit. Just for a few minutes. So I'm going to walk past you, so please don't be alarmed. I'm going to come into the other room, okay? So I'm going to walk past you, so please don't be alarmed. I'm going to come into the other room, okay? So I'm going to walk past you, so please don't be alarmed. I'm going to come into the other room, okay? I'll make things up. Lots of pretty dolls in here. Oh. I'm coming closer, I'm sorry. Well, actually, I'll leave it there. Leave that there. Also, there's something in here. Oh. Now it went to green. That's interesting, huh? That's the president's wall. That's very cool. Red, flux to red. Could you come the other side and light it up green again?
like right now I'm talking to somebody who was a nursing home patient. Is that correct? Okay. Could you try coming a little closer to me? See if you can come closer to me. Maybe you could set one of these other devices off the music box. Try and set the music box off. Very good at that side. Could you try the other side of it? The green side? I've already done it once. See if you can do it again. Let me move it. It looks too red again. That looks a very old painting. Very, very old. Wow. That probably looks like the oldest painting in here. There's lots of vintage items, antiques, and vintage dolls and haunted dolls, probably. I think I heard a story or two about you, young lady. If you're the little lady that used to sit up here on the mantle, that is. Your shoe's coming off. Would you like me to fix your shoe? I'm going to go over there and turn the flux around. Could you tell me your name? Could you tell me what year it is for you? It smells good in here. Tell me what year it is for you. It smells good in here. Don't know what that was. Sounded a lot like movement. Did I scare you off when I came over there? You can come back. Come back, please. This beautiful house, super tall ceilings, gorgeous pocket doors. Pocket door there, pocket door there, pocket door in that room. They have a bar in there. Beautiful house. It's very big as well. Do we have any nursing home patients still with me? Outdoor traffic noise or something. noises. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna call it a night and go up to bed. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go say goodnight to you now, though, okay?
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And please do consider becoming a member to support the channel, gain early access to our videos, and exclusive member-only content.